Tools required: metal cutting snips, caulking gun, silicone. We recommend Premium Ultra 1000 1-inch metal to wood pancake screws. Prior to installation, remove all plastic film. Eave trim is typically 10 to 12 feet in length, and with most roofs larger than 12 feet, sections will have to be overlapped. Eave trim should be overlapped a minimum of 3 inches. This process is done by notching the first eave trim 3 inches at the hem of the drip edge as shown. Next, using a screwdriver, slightly open the hem of the adjacent eave trim. This will allow it to slide into the notch section. The purpose of overlapping is to create a secure fit on the fascia and secure it during windy conditions. At the overlap, apply caulking to the notched edge of eave. Looking for more videos? Hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. For more information, visit westernstatesmetalroofing.com.